Good morning, you wonderful people. I had a good night, sleeping very well, very silent up here. And today it's 400 and a bit kilometers, and I'm gonna head it to Santiago. Wanna go to Santiago and check out if maybe I find a guitar there. Gonna check if I need some new brake discs. Gonna see how the back tire, the rear tire looks like when I'm there, but this looks like okay, should be fine. Last check around if everything is fixed, packed, closed. Nice. Here we go, hit the road. And to start the day we're gonna have a very nice sandy ride. Let's see if I can make it without flipping over. And here we go. It is a rough road.
Just carried on thinking everything's fine. Now I've had a little peek, a subtle nudge, a hidden sense. In the midst of the forest I call your name. Don't know if you feel the same. In the midst of the forest
morning, guys. Today is the day. Today is Christmas, and today is the day I'm gonna finally try to make it over to Argentina. Gonna try it on Cristo Redentor. I heard voices that it's closed. I heard voices that it's open, but I got all the documents together, and I'm here in Casa Matte in Santiago at my friend's Christian's house, Picos. And yeah, this is Urma. She's going to be packed. There's Cristiano.
Hola, mi amigo.
Buena. Yeah, I'm gonna try pack it all together and make my way up to Argentina. And the awesome thing is here in his hostal, you have a whole workspace here. Probably most of you who have ever been to Santiago will know it, because like everybody's coming here. As you can see on the wall, there you are. And here's the one guitar I bought in Antofagasta. I leave it here because I got a new one here, and I got myself a Christmas present, so I got a new guitar, and this guitar stays here for the other travelers to play and enjoy. I love the exhaust of his bike, of his Yamaha. Okay, well, have a last coffee, get everything packed together, and let's see if I can make it over the border, or if I will return for Christmas to Chile again. I don't know. It's about time. 2 years is enough for Chile, so wish me luck that everything is going to be good.